Before watch our video, please subscribe.
With IWIND, you don't have to worry about dust, smog, allergens or choking on exhaust from traffic while cycling. The ergonomic design does not restrict your movement. Its high-tech filtration system removes 99% of air pollutants. IWIND directs a flow of purified air towards your face whilst you're in motion. IWIND is equipped with universal fasteners so you can mount it easily to any cycling helmet. The device can work up to 9 hours in filtration mode and up to 6.5 hours with filtration and warming breath mode. With IWIND, you have a reliable, easy-to-use travel buddy for all your journeys. Feel safe and secure with the rear-facing bright LED light. We're launching IWIND to unite people with a passion for our mission and faith in our potential. Together, we will give life to this new green technology. Join us.
This is Ultra, the latest helmet from Lumos, the best smart LED helmet you can buy. Ultra will simplify your life, protect your head, and even help prevent accidents. Best of all, it's designed with affordability in mind, so that a Lumos helmet can finally be accessible to everyone. The truth is that bike-mounted lights don't always do enough to make you visible to drivers. Like us, you're probably also tired of your lights getting lost or stolen, and drivers not seeing, recognizing, or responding to your hand signals. That's why Ultra comes integrated with 3 LED modules, giving you full 360-degree coverage, ensuring you're seen by motorists from all angles, and drastically improving your chances of avoiding a crash. There are also turn signals that you can activate easily while riding using the included remote or an Apple Watch. The helmet is sealed and water resistant, so you can ride with it anytime, anywhere, rain or shine. It's smart, so you can use our app to track your rides, check the battery, and personalize your helmet with custom blinking patterns. And of course, Ultra offers serious protection for your head. It passes rigorous safety standards with an A-star rating and is also available with the MIPS brain protection system as an optional upgrade. You asked for a visor? We got a visor. You asked for larger and smaller sizes. Ultra will now come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and extra large for a comfortable fit for the whole family. You asked for a standard charging port. Ultra will feature a USB-C port, making recharging faster and easier than ever. We've also optimized battery life so that Ultra can last for up to 10 hours on a single charge.
Introducing Instafloss, the world's first device that flosses your teeth automatically in just 10 seconds. Instafloss is 2 times more effective than manual flossing and infinitely more comfortable. With swappable mouthpieces and adjustable pressure, Instafloss makes flossing easy for everyone. With one sweep, pulsing water jets floss for you, never missing a single spot. The jets floss thoroughly between each tooth and clean deeper into the gums than string. Compared to string, water flossing is more effective at reducing gingivitis, reducing bleeding, and removing plaque. The jets clean 360 degrees around each tooth and are always at the dentist's recommended 90-degree angle. Instafloss feels great, works with braces, dental prostheses, and teeth of any shape, so you can keep your smile beautiful in just 10 seconds a day. With Instafloss, even those nights you're exhausted, it'll be easier than ever to floss quickly and comfortably, so you can spend more time doing what you love. Instafloss, the world's first 10-second floss.